Here it is, guys, right here. Oh my God. Benvenuti a tutti and welcome to another episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo. Tonight we're gonna make something so simple, so easy. You can make it for one person, you can make it for 20 people. We're gonna make escarole and beans, escarole and fagioli. It's easier than you could ever imagine. You could do it in a half hour. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's go over our ingredients. I have 4 plum tomatoes that I boiled for 5 minutes. They're still too hot, but once they cool, I'm gonna pull the skin off. I have 1/2 of a white onion chopped. I have 5 cloves of garlic chopped. I have 1 stalk of scallion chopped. I have 1 can of cannoli beans that I rinsed, and since they're canned, they don't have to be cooked, but they're gonna get sauteed anyway. I have my basil. I have my pancetta, which you don't have to use if you're a vegetarian or you don't want pancetta in your escarole and fagioli, escarole and beans. I have 1 head of cleaned, very well cleaned escarole that I chopped up. I have extra virgin olive oil, black pepper, and sea salt. Now, as you can see, my water is boiling for my plum tomatoes. I'm just gonna put them in there. What we're basically gonna do is just boil them for about 5 minutes until the skin starts to loosen up, and then we're gonna peel them, because they're gonna be part of this beautiful escarole and beans or escarole e fagioli dish. Okay, so as you can see, my 5 minutes have transpired, and you can see that the tomatoes have split and the skin is starting to peel, as you can see right here, close up. I'm just gonna take them out now and let them cool, because I can't peel them when they're super hot like that. But you can see how the skin is already coming off. See that? Okay, so now as you can see, I can handle the tomatoes now. They've cooled off. And all you're gonna do is just pull the skin off just like that. It should come right off as it is right now. They're nice and cool, so you can work with them easier. You can take out the little core there. Because there are 2 versions of escarole and beans. There's a white version and there's a red version. Today we're making the red version, which is basically with tomato sauce in it. But it all gets cooked together, which is beautiful. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut them up. So just cut them up like that, cut them in half, then cut them again, and again. Cut them into nice small pieces. Now I bring in my basil also, and I chop it up. I'm gonna incorporate it into the tomatoes. Okay, so now it's time to boil my escarole. And it's gonna be very quick, just a couple minutes. Okay, now you can see here I have a pot with a colander already in it, and that's so that I don't lose the water from the escarole. I'm gonna need some of it later. That's all it needs to cook. I'm gonna put it in here. And we'll let it strain out. Okay, our oil is starting to get really nice and hot, so we're gonna start by bringing in our beautiful onions first. Bring in our 5 cloves of chopped garlic. Love garlic. Garlic is amazing, very, very healthy. We're just gonna move it around here. Don't let it burn. Keep it moving. Next, we're gonna bring in our scallions and our pancetta. The beautiful pancetta gives it an amazing flavor. Such an easy dish to make, as you can see. This is really just so simple. Now I'm going to bring in my beautiful beans, my cannoli beans. Some saute. Time for my beautiful chicken stock. Made with real chicken. How beautiful that is, huh? Oh my God. Touch of salt. A little black pepper. And it's time to add our beautiful tomatoes. Now look at all those flavors together. Just, oh, how beautiful is that? We're holding off on the escarole for a little bit. Now I'm going to add about a cup of beautiful white wine. Don't worry about the alcohol, that's all going to burn off. Now the reason I'm not putting in the escarole in yet is I don't want it to overcook. We're going to let this simmer for about 30 minutes. Okay guys, it has been 30 minutes and now it's time to add our escarole. And stir. And let that sit for about 10 minutes now. Are you ready? Are you ready to taste this with Frank Gallo? Escarole and fagioli, Mama Gallo style. Here we go. Here it is. Here it is, guys. Right here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, it's amazing and so easy, so simple to make. Guys, I want to thank you very much for watching tonight's episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo, Escarole and beans, Escarole fagioli, Mama Gallo style. I need you to please smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, so that I can continue to bring you all of Mama Gallo's great recipes just like this one here. They're all very simple. You can scale them up for big parties, large amounts of people, or just one or two people. No reason why you can't make this for yourself. Guys, the most important thing in this world to me, can't do without it. I love you, Mama. 100 anni, salute!